Last week I made a video sharing about how I got into the TikTok creativity program beta and how I am fully loaded into the dashboard now. I'm going to show you what it looks like, how it's going so far, and a little bit about it. So after a ton of complaints about the creator fund on TikTok decided to redo this whole program, and that's what the creativity program is. To be eligible, you need to have at least 10,000 followers and a minimum of 100,000 valid video views in the last 30 days. Business accounts are not accepted. And you need to be in good standing with the community guidelines, of course. So basically, I get a notification on TikTok that says, hey, you're eligible for this beta program. Click here if you want to get into it. And I'll link my video down in the caption where I actually went through that whole process and showed what it looked like. Now, it's been about a week since I've been in the program. It does take about 3 days to actually get it fully set up. But let me show you what's happening so far. So when I'm on my profile, I go into Creator Tools, and then you'll see Creativity Program Beta here. Okay, so the payout isn't huge. I'll say $3.57. And you can actually see which videos here paid out the most money. And while it's not much, honestly, I feel like it's more than I ever made in the actual creator fund. One other thing that I heard from a lot of creators was that when they first signed up, everything was great, and then their views tanked. So since I've been in it for about a week, I have experienced at first, my views were super, super high, very much higher than they usually are. So it almost felt like they gave me like a little boost in the algorithm. But now that it's been about a week, my views seem to be back to normal, if not maybe a little bit lower than they usually are. But I also don't like to blame low views on things like this because I don't know, my views could just be low in general. I'm curious to hear how everyone else's experience with this program has gone. Overall, I'm not mad about it. I'm not super excited about it. It just kind of is what it is.